My placement so far has been actually really enjoyable because it's been an area that I've not actually got to experience personally before. So it's been quite nice to have that experience here.
I've really enjoyed it so far here at SharpFutures. It's been really interesting getting to know an environment that I'm not really used to, especially coming from an English background. So this has exposed me to some really cool things.
I think I want to go do a Masters in Publishing or Advertising and possibly go down that route.
As soon as I finish university, I want to get a graduate job, possibly in a big company to learn, and then after that I would like to get my own PR agency.
SharpFutures will help me with my degree and to getting where I want to be because it's exposing me to a new environment and I'm learning new skills every day, especially in terms of digital marketing. It's getting me used to what I'll probably encounter in the workplace.
I think it has helped working in groups because first year didn't really require me to do teamwork, but the next years do.
I think it's helped me in the sense to see how much I've learned or how much I have yet to learn with some stuff. So for instance, how to do budgets and how to do time scales, which is something I learned, and I have one way of doing it, but I was taught another way of doing it yesterday, so it's just a matter of learning the right approach.
So I have learned about finance. Obviously numbers scare me coming from an English background, but when they've been broken down by experts, it's actually not that scary. It's actually quite cool as well.
I didn't really realise there was this many opportunities actually in the digital sector, and to see the building and see how many people work here and how much of a buzz there is, it's quite nice to see.
This placement has definitely opened up new opportunities that are around because I didn't realise that you could go into so many different avenues, and there's so much going on here at SharpFutures that there is really something for everybody.
My degree is 100% transferable because we do practice conversations with our tutors, we do pitches, so everything I learned in my degree is completely transferable to what I've been doing in the last couple of days.